What's up, YouTube? Seductive Souls coming back at you. I'm still on the NBA Jam. As you can see, it's in the same spot where I put it together at. Now I'm back to do another video. This video is going to be about how to host a game. So we're going to get right into it. First, as you see, the on button. Right here, this little black strip is that LED strip, but we're going to turn this on and just press it and wait for it to load. Now, I noticed something about the LEDs. As you can see right there, it's just a strip going across the bottom of the LCD. When they did the pre-orders and posted the pictures, it made it look like the LED was going all the way around the deck, which is not. So a lot of people were disappointed about that. I mean, me, I don't care, but like I said, you can change the color of the button of the LED light, so it's all good with me. But enough of that, get right into it. So as you can see, we got the 3 games. First thing you would have to do is go to your settings, and this is where you set up your network. You see it has the Wi-Fi. This is where you set up your network with your password, your online name, and it shows you who you recently played. You can block people and all that. So all my stuff is set up. Now say we go to NBA Hang Time. That's what I want to play. You see right here in the bottom right corner, there's 2 games available. One was 8 seconds ago, one was 13 seconds ago. That's how long ago it started. And it has 3 free spots. So if I do an example, I'm gonna click that one to join it. And it's gonna say connecting and then requesting to join. If it lets me join the game, it's gonna say joining and then a bar. There you go. See, it's loading fast. And here I'm just watching. I'm not playing. But if I press start on player 2, I'll be player 2, and then I'll be playing against him. We're playing online against each other. So press that live button, and then it tells you Mindfire is inside plus me. And it shows you his Wi-Fi signal, and go down to leave the game, click yes, it'll take me out. So now I'm gonna show you how to host a game, which is pretty easy. It's not hard at all. All you do is just like you're starting a regular game. Click start. It's gonna load up. Purchase full games. Enter your name if you have one. Oh, I'm doing player 2 and I like playing player 3. Enter your name. And this is how to host a game. It's pretty easy. All you have to do is just start a regular game, and then it'll take you.
The Chicago Bulls versus the Dallas Mavericks.
It'll take you to that screen where I told you. Now you see I'm Rodman. So it's a 4-player game. I'm playing by myself. Technically, I'm hosting the game. On the main screen, if somebody else had it, they can see me, Cadillac G, hosting it, and then they can click join, which is pretty easy. No, but I don't think a lot of people knew that, because I've seen people asking, how do you host a game? So that's how you do it. I'm gonna go ahead and sit this down, play a little bit, and then I'm gonna end it.
Here's the tip-off. And this game is underway. Baseline leader right through the net. Mavericks leading by.
And I've been up early playing this game. I had to stop and go do some family things, but I came right back at it. All in all, I think I got it for the NBA Jam, but the hang time has been on point. I've been playing the hang time. I've been loving the hang time. And another thing, so I'm playing solo right now, but how I know someone else is joining the game, it'll let you know. But then since this is the first gen, the first version of the NBA Jam arcade, it freezes when somebody tries to join the game. It like gets choppy And then of course it messes up your game. But that's how I know when somebody's coming to join the game, because it just start acting real bad, like chopping up real bad. And I think that's what's been stopping a lot of people from playing against each other, because it's freezing a lot, and then you can't play like you want to play. So, but yeah, that's it. And then to leave the game, all you have to do is press that live button, and then where it says leave the game, press leave the game. You see I'm in there by myself, so go ahead and stop this video and get back to my game. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Peace.